Lesgeza indaba zo-1KZN TV wefundela usamukeliso kaNqulunga angikubingelele mbukeli asikubhekeleke ihamba phambili osukwini namhlanje. Inhlansi yethemba ngogesi wakuleli owamaphoyisa osehlabe ikhwelo komasipala kanti IEC isithi ime ngankomo ngokhetho kwini. Ungqongqoshe wezamandla nogesi kuleli uHoyisento Ramokgopa uthi ke uxhaso oluvela ezweni laseChina lusho ukuthi ke ukucinywa kwagesi kuyabuya kepha kusho ukuzilungiselela uma kwenzeka inhlekelele. Usho lokhu ngesikhathi amukeleke isiza kusebenza sikagesi ezivela kwelaseChina njengoba kuyihlandla lesibili leli elokuqala walamukela ngaphambilini. Ramokgopa ubekhuluma ke emahhovisi kwa-Eskom eHawiki lapho ke behlangene khona nezihambeli zaseChina kanye noNdunankulu bakwezinye izifundazwe okubala ke Free State, Limpopo, Mpumalanga kanye neNorth West.
Ungqongqoshe wagesi kuleli uHoyisento Ramokgopa uthi uxhaso oluvela ezweni laseChina luzodlala enkulu indima. Lolu xhaso kubalwa ama-generator kanye nama-solar panels kokunye kufikele endaweni yaseHawiki lapho kwethulwe khona kanti umthwalo wesibili ukufika lona.
Generators does not suggest that there will be load shedding tomorrow. I think it's very important. It's like when you drive your car, you have a spare wheel. It doesn't mean that you are foreseeing a puncture. But if a puncture does happen, there's a spare wheel. So these things are called, these are equipment for uninterrupted power supply. So there could be issues of load reduction. There could be a storm like we've seen in Gqeberha. So all you want to do is to make sure that the lights are on and the economy is going. So that's the first one. The second one is mentioned earlier on. Some of these are photovoltaic. So this one uses diesel, so you must have the money to buy the diesel. But when the sun shines like this is the endowment that God has given us. So this one uses the sun, and that's why they are very important for our own cause.
uRamokgopa uthi zine izifundazwe ezizozuza kulolu xhaso yilezo ezakhelwe izindawo zasemakhaya ikakhulukazi.
These are what we call rural provinces. And these are the provinces that they are supposed to ensure that when there's an economic recovery, they are the ones that are going to benefit the most out of that effort. And that's why we've made this choice of these provinces. I want to say that this is the first in the many interventions that we'll be making in the provinces. We'll be working with the premiers, the MECs by extension, to ensure that we are able to provide relief to the poor. We have made mention that we want to rethink and repurpose the INEP grant, have a distributed or microgrid that uses solar, and we are going to pilot or roll out, not pilot, because we have already done that work in Eskom. We are going to roll it out more aggressively in these 4 provinces.
Kanti uRamokgopa uphinde wancoma inkampani Eskom ngokugcina elakuleli likhanya.
So load shedding, we are at 0 and the country is relatively happy. But we must resolve load reduction. I agree, and it's especially devastating the poor. And that's why this intervention will be working on with municipalities and the provinces by extension. It will be dedicated towards poor communities so that they benefit from this natural endowment.
Izindabeni ze-1KZN TV, uAyanda Dube ngiseHawiki.
Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi usenxuse kumasipala iTheku kuba uqhamukeke nomthetho oqinile ukulawula kwamabhizinisi aqhutshwe enkabeni yedolobha kuze kuse nathi ke kungezinye zezinto ezidala ungalawuleki kobugebengu. Mkhwanazi usho kanje ngesikhathi bezinhlaka ezahlukene zezomthetho zikasele kungazelele bani emabhilidini enkabeni yedolobha ngenhloso ukukhuculula ubugebengu abofika abakuleli ngokungemthetho izibhamu ezingekho emthethweni nokunye.
Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal uthi kungasiza ukuthi umasipala iTheku uqhamuke nohlelo lokulawula amabhizinisi avula kuze kuse ngenhloso yokunqanda ubugebengu.
Isaluni akho umuntu ofika ebusuku ozokwenza inwele. Ngicela nawe uzenze inwele ngo12 ebusuku. Akho umuntu kodwa ivulile yakhanya. Uzibuza ukuthi bayenza kanjani imali, bakwazi kanjani ukhokha irent endaweni abantu bengangeni kuyona. Iyacacisa ukuthi lezo zinto bazenzela ngoba naku befuna ukucashisa imikhuba leyababhizi ngayo. Ingakho sicela nje ukuthi umkhandlu usize ngokuthi wenze imithetho lokuvula kwalezi izitolo. Azisheshe sivale. Izitolo ezingavula ke kuzube late lezi ezibalekile njenganetolo lokudayisa khona imithi abantu mabegula befuna ukuzobona befuna ukuthola into zobalapha bangakwazi ukufika khona. ngebhadi ke leli bhilidi esikulona sike safika nangenya kodlula siyama nemeya kade ikhona le eTheku sihamba nopremier kade ekhona la ngaphambilini basithembisa ukuthi bazolungisa le bhilidi kodwa namanje sisathola lo esikutholayo kusho ukuthi ayikho into esenzekile sekuphela unyaka siyathemba ukuthi njengoba sifika nopremier mosha nemeya entsha kuzonumehluko ukuthi amabhilidi afana nalawa ngoba kuba zidleke zegebengu endaweni njengalalezi njengoba ubonile nje abantu esibabophile into esizithole khona
Intathe zanamuhla abeyinhlakaze zokuphepha ezahlukene bagasele ngazelele bani emabhilidi nasenkabeni leli dolobha noholeleke ekutheni kuboshwa abokufika kuleli ngokungemthetho abangaphezulu kwekhulu kwatholakala inhlambe engekho emthethweni imali yaphesheya ebalelwa ngaphezulu kwa4 million amarandi ewumgunyathi nokunye kuqame isimo esingesihle kulamabhilidi kwazise iphunga elingabekezeleleki ugesi okukuteliwe amanzi arojiwe nokunye okuningi abahlali balapha bachaza ke ngesimo abahleli ngaphansi kwaso
sinzima kona semihleli phezulu kwaso njengoba nani izibonela nje ibhilidi lilento eliyiyona kodwa ngenxa ukuthi ke sesinesikhathi vele sahlala sesisibekezele naloso simo leso njenganamanzi amanzi kadavalwa kodwa sabekezela saqhubeka sahlala yezona njengamanje isimo siyabheda besinethemba lokuthi liyalungisa ibhilidi kodwa asibona umehluko ke sasesibekezela ukuthi akisibekezele sosikhathi ukuthi soshaya ukuthi siphumeke bese siyaphuma kodwa sisabekezeleke
labantu abahlala la bahloniphe ngifuna ukufihlela abanye bahlonipha abanye bahloniphi labo ukuhamba nje basihloniphi bakithi ngangcono mathiwa nani uhulumeni osiphethe thathana abantu baliphinzele emakubo sikhathele ngathi manje la ayingane zethu ehlala emjondolo bona bazohlala emafletini babonise kanje into ebhlungu ubona itenant ilafika ula seline hlali zalo baqashisa ngamafleti ama owner bedla imali bengayisi kwiPorter Corporate into ebhlungu engiyibuka izakumende uthola ukuthi bayithathe emabhoxini beyilahle lapha abayiningi nama-owner sawabona
imeya ithi mkhulu umsebenzi okusamele wenziwe
kuningi ukukhohlakala okwenziwa kulama building efanele sidile nawo ukuze le dolobha phinde livuleleke futhi kuma investors and bakwazi ukuthi babuye bazo investor la siphinde futhi no public works azama ukuthi awalungisela amabhilidi uma engasalifuni ibhilidi uyalidayisa noma ulibuyisela eThekwini iTheku libona ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani ngalo ngoba sinenkinga nje ngoba kune problem of maintenance la mabhilidi
kanti undunankulu wesifundazwe uthe kumele kuqhanyuke nohlelo lokunqanda ukuthi ke ababoshelwe ukuba kuleli ngokungemthetho bangabuyeli kulezi indawo abasuke ke besuswe kuzo
kufanele kwenziwe inhlelo zokuthi bangaphinde babuyele futhi kufanele kwakhiwe nje uhlelo oluqondile ukuthi kubonakala emakukhona ababuyelayo futhi bawuhlala ngongekho emthethweni ngoba sifuna ukuthi lamabhilidi lana abuyele esimeni ukuze umnotho weTheku ukwazi ukukhula ungenazo ingqinamba zobugebengu ngoba okuningi okwenzeka lapha kusuka ubugebengu
lo mkhankaso uyaqhubeka endabeni ze1 KZN TV kube kuntombi khona Mvubu ngiseThekwini
Kulindeleke kubanjwe ukhetho lokuchibiyela kumawadi amathathu ngaphansi kwesifunda ugu okubalwa kumasipala eRenkonyeni kuward 14 no24 kanye nakumasipala uMduni kuward 15 lolu khetho lokuchibiyela luzobanjwa mhla zi-14 kuSeptember umphathi wekhomishana yengamela ukhetho kuleli IEC kwisifunda ugu uzolile Kasiphiwo uthi ke bengu IEC sebekulungela ukubamba lezi inketho zokuchibiyela
umphathi wekhomishana yengamela ukhetho kuleli kwisifunda ugu uthi sebekulungela ukubamba izinketho zokuchibiyela ezizobanjwa mhla zi-14 kuSeptember ngaphansi kwalesi sifunda. Lezi inketho zokuchibiyela zizobanjwa kumasipala eRenkonyeni kuward 14 no24 kanye nakumasipala uMduni kuward 15. Kanti uveza ukuthi lezi inketho zokuchibiyela eRenkonyeni ziza emva kokuthi kuward 24 kushona ukhansela wakhona kuward 14 ikhansela lakhona lesulile kanti eMduni ukhansela wakuward 15 weqembu leDA uye eParliament.
As IEC, obviously we always say we are ready, and of course we are ready because Sandokuphuma kukhetho kazwelonke, that is NPE 2024. For uward 14 i-total number of registered voters zethu kule award 5,659, that is kuward 14 la eRenkonyeni. Then kuward 24 ngu-6,330 abantu ababhalisele ukuvota. Then kuthi kuward 15 for eMduni zibili kuphela i-voting stations ezimbili ngo-3,821. So kumi kanjalo in terms of inumber ye-registered voters. Ward 24 ke abalali bawukhumbula ukuthi uyisizathu sokuthi sibe nokhetho lokuchibiyela kushone ukhansela wakhona wakwa 24. Then ku Ward 14 ukhansela uye wa resigna ukhansela wakhona, so ingakho sinokhetho lokucibiyela. Sibe nayo kenye ku Ward 15 eMduni. Isizathu sayo ukuthi ukhansela Singo waye wa resigna ngoba esiye eParliament ku National Parliament, so le award ibiphethwe iDA.
Ube esebala amaqembu abhalisile kulolu khetho.
So i-candidate nomination kumi kanje kabantu amaqembu asengenele ukungenela lolu khetho lokucibiyela. Ku Ward 14 sinamaqembu awu4, that is i-African National Congress, i-MK Party, i-AIC, i-IFP. So awu4, i-IFP, i-AIC, i-ANC ne-MK Party. Then ku Ward 24 amaqembu esinawo amathathu kuphela, i-IFP, i-MK Party ne-ANC. Yes, i-EFF submitted nayo kulama ward wabeni, but sathola incwadi ehoxisayo i-participation, so bona basekho ke kwi-ballot paper specimen that we've printed now ezosayinwa namhlanje. Kunama PLC meeting akhona to sign i-specimen, that is to confirm i-ballot paper ukuthi izobe imi kanjani ngomhla ka-11 September.
Uveza ukuthi ukuvota ngokukhethekile kuzobanjwa mhla zi-10 kuSeptember.
So ma-special votes wethu azoba ngomhla ka-10 ngoba remember kwi-by-election balusuku olulodwa ayibiza insuku embini njengako-national election, so izoba ngomhla ka-10 kaSeptember. Then the main election day, which is i-by-election day, will only be on the 11 ngemhla ka-11 kaSeptember 2024. I-voting stations zethu zivula ngo-7 zivale ngo-2100.
Lezi inketho zokuchibiyela zizobanjwa mhla zi-11 kuSeptember kulonyaka. Lo mbiko benuwethulelo uZamando Sicele wezindaba ze1KZN TV ngisesayidi.
Asithishelele etolo sibe siqhubeke nazindaba zethu. Asikwamukele ke mbukeli usabukele zona indaba ze1KZN TV, asikukhumbuze ke ihlokwana kuyizona ehamba phambili. Inhlansi yethemba ngogesi wakuleli owamaphoyisa osehlabe ikhwelo komasipala kanti IEC isithi ime ngankomo ngokhetho kwini. Ngemuva kwezingqinamba eziningi esibhekene nomndeni wakaNdimande esikhawini eJ1 enyakatho nelikaMthaniya ungakwazi ukulanda isidumbu, kodwa ke ugcina ukwazile ukufihla ithambo likaHalalisani Ndimande obeneminyaka engama-24 owasha nomkhukhu ayihlala kuwe Cape Town. Lo mndeni uthi ke ngosizo lweqembu lomkhonto wesizwe Party ugcina ukwazile ukuthi kubhekane nezindleko zokubuyisa isidumbu ekhaya. Umndeni wakaNdimande J1 esikhaleni enyakatho nelikaMthaniya ugcineke ukwazile ukuthi ke ufihle ithambo lendodana yalo uHalalisani Ndimande oneminyaka engama-24 obudala owashona ngemuva kokuthi ke eshe nomkhukhu abehlala kuwo eKapa. Lokhu ke kwenzeke mhla zingama-29 kuJune, kodwa ke ngenxa ungabi nawo amandla umndeni okulanda isidumbu, lo mndeni waphoqele ukuba ke uphume ungena ucela usizo, kodwa ke wangaluthola. Umufi wayehamba ekhaya ngoba ke ethole amatoho kanti uzokuhlelwa ilomshophi. Ubaba uVusimozi Ndimande ongubaba kaMufi uthi ke wazama yonke indawo kodwa ke akaluthola ngosizo, njengoba ke yena nonkosikazi wakhe baze bagibela baye eKapa nakhona futhi wangaluthola usizo. Lo mndeni ke ubusuzophoqele ukuthi ke ugcine umfihle eKapa umntwana ngenxa ukuthi ke ubhekela izindleko ukuthi ngeke ukwazi ukumelana nazo.
Jikeleze ke sizama indaba umntwana nase Cape Town bangichithe bathi ayikho into abangangisiza ngayo. Saze savolunteer ukuthi umntwana engcono simngcwabele khona ngoba sinalutho, angisebenzi noma walekha akasebenzi. Savuma ke kuthenga usuku okufanele simngcwabe ngalo umntwana. Imali yafika ngoLesine, sizomngcwaba ngoLesihlanu. Bangifakela imali ke obuhle, angimazi nalo buhle ukuthi umuntu onjani, ngizwa nje ngegama noma umfana noma intombazane angimazi. Hayi ke saze sabuya ke seza la ekhaya, ngithela ngifika sifika nebhokisi sifika la phezulu la emgwaqweni. Ngafica ke lo mama Mamtshali nomunye umama umfundisi. Ngaqala ukubona ukuthi hayibo labantu kanti engilongikhuluma nabafaka izikipa zeMK. Hayi ke bangicelele nginganandawo ukumbeka, bangithatha bangifakela nemakhazeni.
uNdimande ubonge uxhaso alitholile nokweseka akutholile esabhekene nalesimo.
ukudla okukhona ekhaya kubo umkhonto yonke into eyenzekela ekhaya umkhonto ibhasi siqashela umkhonto ngaba sazi ukuthi ngabe siyini ngoba noma besizongcwaba asazi imoto besoyithatha phe ehambisa umntwana lephezulu emathuneni ukuthi abantu njoba bengakade bazohlala phi badlini. Ngiyayibonga kakhulu umkhonto ngendlela osenzele ngayo.
Lokho lilungu leParliament leqembu lomkhonto wesizwe uBuhle Khumalo uthi ke naye uke wabhekana nezingqinamba njengoba ke umnyango yahlukene ayexhumane nayo yagcina ngalikhiphanga usizo. uKhumalo unxusa kube ke ibuyekeze eminye yemithetho indlela esebenza ngayo wabese enxusa kuba abantu basizwe kungabheka ukuthi ke bayiliphi iqembu noma inhlangano.
Kufika udaba kithi mhlambe 3 weeks back lufika nje kimi ngokomnyango ngicabanga ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi ngiyilunga leParliament ngizamile ke nami ukusebenza nomnyango kahulumeni oSHOD bama departments bengicabanga ukuthi bengasisiza ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi udaba besedonsa isikhathi eside umntwana esena almost 3 months ashona kodwa inkinga isekuthena athuthwe eze ngapha. Cha sihlulekile ke ukuthi uhulumeni asilekelele ukuthi umntwana transporteke kuze kwasiphoqa ukuthi ke umuntu manje akusebenze njengelunga lomkhonto sicele amavolontiya kaNxamalala ukuthi anikele ibidila bese uhulumeni uzobukhoza ubuthembisa babuya ngeviki lokugcina sebethi ayi akukho abazosenzela khona kunamapolisi kunani.
Ikhansela lendawo ke inxuso kube nokubambisana emphakathini.
Inhlaka eziningi esiwazile ukulekelela ngoba nami njengokhansela ngiwazile ukuthi kune challenge ngasethi i-transport ayiyekele kumina ngase ngikwazi ukuthi ngifake into yebhasi ukuthi bekwazi nosomlomo akwazi ukuthi iprocess befika umntwana akwazi ukuthi alekeleleke athole indawo ngoba
njengendlela kokuzama ukubhekana nenkinga amabhilidi angekho esimeni kanye nasephucwe abanikazi ngongemthetho sekusunguleke ithimba elizohlanganisa uMasipala iTheku kanye nomnyango wezemisebenzi umphakathi nenqalasinda kuleli. Ekhuluma ke sithangamini nabezindaba ungqongqoshe lomnyango uDan McPherson uveza ukuthi ke leli thimba lizosebenzela ukuqeda nya ngalokhu kuvuselelwa ke izakhiwo futhi ke kuqinisekisa ukuthi ke izakhiwo zikahulumeni zikhokha ngesikhathi.
Kukhalwa ngomthelela ongemuhle odalwa izakhiwo zamabhilidi engekho esimeni edolobheni iTheku. Lokhu sekholele ekuthini kusungulwe ithimba labomnyango wezemisebenzi yomphakathi nenqalazinda kuleli kanye noMasipala iTheku okulendeleke ukuba ke libhekane nalolu daba.
The department has already started to take action to resolve issues facing abandoned and partially hijacked Excelsior Court building in the Berea, the possible redevelopment of the former police barracks close to the Durban inner city, and the soon completion of work at the Durban Magistrates Court to ensure that the building is fire safety compliant. However, the technical committee will further accelerate these efforts by working closely together within the Metro to identify, reclaim and redevelop bad buildings and address issues of revenue head-on. The task team will devise formal strategies and plans to expedite investment into state-owned properties and to attract additional investment into the inner city, while it will have to keep track of interventions to ensure they achieve the desired outcomes.
Kuvele ukuthi ke zingaphezulu kwamashumi ayisikhombisa izakhiwo eziseledengwane kuzona ezingu-58 zenganyelwe ngokuzimela kuthi ke ezingu-18 ngekahulumeni. Imeya kaMasipala iTheku ithi ke bathole ukuthi izakhiwo ezili-16 zithathwe ngokungemthetho futhi kuhlala abantu ngokungemvume. Iphinde ke yaveza ukuthi ke abanikazi balamabhilidi kumele ke bakhethe phakathi ke kokuzilungisela wona bawadayise noma ke uMasipala uwalungise ebese ke bewakhokhela ndlela thize.
12 buildings have been refurbished by owners. 11 demolished. These include the Chinese Emporium building, which is currently being demolished. 7 hijacked buildings returned to owners. 7 buildings currently undergoing repairs. This success can be attributed to the ongoing engagements with property owners and the tireless efforts by our officials who have not hesitated to institute legal action to those who were not cooperating. Last year, the Council approved the display of building reps on declared problem buildings to assist the property owners to generate income from advertising in order to settle arrear rates and services and to pay for the refurbishment of the building.
Namanjalo odabeni oluthinta labo abaphazamisa ukuqhubeka kwemisebenzi yokwakha ungqongqoshe uthi ke akayimisele ukuxoxisana nabo ngoba ke abakwenzayo kubugebengu.
These are people that walk around with AK-47s. They commit violence, murder, and extortion. These are not business forums. These are not community organizations. These are well-armed, well-resourced, intelligence-driven individuals that are terrorizing the state and terrorizing communities. And so I will not have any engagement with them. I'm not prepared to talk to them. I'm not prepared to negotiate with them, because you don't negotiate with extortionists. When you start off on that foot and with people who commit violence and murder, you are on a slippery slope to anarchy.
Eyindabeni ze-One KZN TV kube kuntomkhona Mvubu ngiseThekwini.
Ukumenya kwakhe kezweni lase-Italy uThulani Kwanyana uthi-ke kushiya imibuzo ngohulumeni wakuleli obashaya indiva bona ngumsebenzi wabo njengoba ke bengenaso ngisho nesabelo mali. Lo melaphi odabuka emeva mhlophe kulindele ukuthi-ke alifulathelela kuleli ngoLwesine nokulindeleke kahlale isikhathi esingangeviki kwelasentaliyane.
Umelaphi wendabuko wasempangeni enyakatho nesifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal uDokotela Thulani Drisekhen Kwanyana kulendele ukuthi aphinde alifulathele lakuleli abhekisa amabombo ezweni lase-Italy nalapho emenyo khona ukuba azothekela ngolwazi ngakwezokulapha ngokwesintu. Nkwanyana uthi kuyadabukisa ukuthi baze baqhakanjiswe amazwe aphesheya kodwa uhulumeni wakuleli ubashaya indiva.
Egcineni kwakhona especially South Africa ne-government yala South Africa I recognize abantu abasizayo like amaciko njengamasiko engicabanga ukuthi amazwe aphesheya ebese kungixaka ngophela bona abamhlophe bese befuna thina ekubeni la thina sikhona asirecognize futhi asazona nokuthi singobani siyini asinayo nebudget noma iphume ibudget igcina isebenza okunye nje kodwa ke lokho ngeke sikukhulume phela ukuthi sihlaphe silwa nabo mhlawumbe abebengakasiboni isidingo kodwa mhlawumbe nabawongena emva kwabo bayosibona leso sidingo.
Nkwanyana uzolifulathele lakuleli ngosuku lwangolwesine kanti kulende ukuthi ahlale isikhathi esingangeviki kwelasentaliyane uthi amagalelo akhe nokuhlonipha nokuthanda abantu yikhona okholele ekutheni aphinde amenywe njoba eke wavakasha ngaphambilini ezweni lakwa-Israel.
Kumusa nje kaNkulunkulu nanomsebenzi ke nje ke engophathisiwe uNkulunkulu nanisibusise ngisiphathisiwe nengenxa yokuthi ngihlonipha abantu abadala ngithande nabantu zonke izizwe ke ngoba phela kahle kahle entweni umuntu mawenza izinto abantu balandela inhliziyo yakhe. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke bangibonile lena kwa-Israel bangibona imisebenzi yami ngihambele khona kufika ke bezongibona besuka endaweni ezihlukene so ke baze bagcina ke manje laphana eItaly kwesikaphuphu nakhona futhi base befisa ukuthi ke ngikwazi ukuthi ngihambe nabo.
Lo melaphi wendabuko uphinde wavakashelwa umculi kaMaskandi osematheni kulezi insuku uMayogathi ezomfisela uhambo oluhle.
Ngizwile ke ngohambo ngathi unohambo elibheke phesheya ngase nginami njenganomunye wamakhosi ngithi cha phela angisondele phela ngikwazi ukuthi into ngingayizwela kude yayibona ngase nginami angisondele nginikeza umkhulu umphako phela indlela endlela yaphesheya lapho omkhulu ngibona impela iqhaza lakho lidlalala kaMaskandi ngiyababona uKhuzani ngiyababona uMthandeni ngiyababona uSminovu ngeke ngize ngibaqede labafana nami ngase ngithi qana angisondele impela njengoba nami nje bengumunye obegqotshwa nje ukuba inkosi yoMaskandi ukuthi kumele ngize ngifikele ngizokubika lokho kwamanye amakhosi.
Ezindabeni ze-One KZN TV kubika uThabani Maphumulo empangeni.
Siphinde futhi seyitolo sibe siqhubeka nazo indaba zethu. Asiphinde ke sikwamukele mbukeli usabukele zona indaba ze-One KZN TV siphinde sikukhumbuze bekuyizona ebeyihamba phambili usuku namhlanje. Inhlansi yethemba ngogesi wakuleli owamaphoyisa osehlabe ikhwelo komasipala kanti IEC isithi ime ngankomo ngokhetho kwini. Ake sibheke ngosini yezomnotho. Irandi lakuleli ke beli u-18.41 maqhathaniswa ne-dollar semelika libo 19.85 maqhathaniswa ne-euro libo 23.7 maqhathaniswa ne-pound waseBritain igolide lona lu-$2,368.34 ounce olengahluziwe wona u-$83.88 umphongolo. Ake sibheke ngosini yezemidlalo. Iqembu lesizwe lekhilikithi labesilisa lemidlalo ye-T20 lihlulekile ngokusika iphethini kwele test ngesikhathi kunqotshwa iWest Indies emidlalweni wesibili ngomsombuluko wesithatha kusa. Ama-Proteas anqobeke ngelilodwa eqandeni uchungechunge le-test kulandela kokubhuntsha komdlalo owodwa ngenxa yemvula. Nokho-ke asekhale ngaphansi kwele T20 njengoba iWest Indies isihamba phambili ngamabili eqandeni. Iqembu lakuleli-ke linqotshwe ngama-wicket ayisikhombisa emidlalweni wokuqala laphinde-ke lakhala ngaphansi ngama-wicket angama-30 kowesibili obuseBrian Lala Cricket Academy eTrinidad naseTobago. Lulo mdlalo ke iqembu lakuleli likhethe kokushiba kuqala iWest Indies yashaya ama-runs angu-179 kuma-overs angu-20 sekuphumeke abadlali abayisithupha. Nasike isimo sezulu esingalindeleka. Mbukeli ke siyaguqa bese kuphathele zona nosuna namhlanje. Mina nawe ke sohlangana kusasa futhi ngasisikhathi esifanayo. Nisale kahle.
Abethuli bethu bezindaba baxhaswe iThulis Bayview Bridal. Ungabashayela kulezi zinombolo ezivelile.